That building is massive. This place. Yeah, the plenty. Look at this place. It's like a freaking stage and everything. Toilets.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, guys.
There's this massive ass queue for Felix right now. Oh, there he is. This massive queue. It's Owen. Hi.
Hello.
I'm judging you. It's my turn.
I'm 4'6".
Owen, you suck.
Even if he stuffs up, he still gets that subtint every
Yeah. Ah. Whoa! We're going downstairs to fill up some water. Dickinson Center. It's a swimming pool. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Mission accomplished. We found the drink fountain. Nice. Okay. Mission accomplished. Fill up the water bottle.
Yes, sir.
Let's go back. All was 100th place. That's kind of crazy. My food's finally here. Oh, like 2x2 starts in about like, I don't know. It's like 10 minutes. I'm gonna try to eat as fast as I can. I'm doing some 2x2. Aiden's my judge.
Hi, Eugene.
Ready?
3x3 blindfolded.
Yeah, that's good. But 3x3 PV singles faster than this. I'm insane.
Just as my SD. Just as my SD card runs out.
This guy.
5 seconds.
Oh!
That was actually pretty fast. I wasn't even moving that time.
This thing's tilted. I don't know if you could tell.
8 seconds.
Hey! That was actually good. 2.65. Apparently this single is better than Max Park's 2x2 single. I'm better than Max Park, guys. This is probably recording sideways again.
8 seconds. Wait, that...
No, I don't think... Nah, it's 4.10, right?
No, his.
Yeah, Max...
Oh, his is 4.1?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was like 4.4.
I don't even know if I'm in frame or not, to be honest. It'd be pretty funny if I'm not. It's time for 4x4. I want better results than last time. If you go to my WCA profile, well, I'm probably going to show it to you right now, but I didn't do too well last time. So yeah, hopefully I get a better average than last time, which is pretty likely. Ready? Oh, yellow card is horrible soul, but at least it's not a DNF. It's just done a normal T-perm. Oh, sub 50 fail. Got a better 4x4 average than last time. Well, duh. Got a sub 50 single. Pretty happy with that. make cut off.
I need to get a rock.
Sitting at the very back. You see the scoreboard right there. Ready?
Snap and take it off at the same time.
Yeah. Done for the day. Probably can't see me right now, but day one's over. Yeah. I have 2x2 round 2, 3x3 round 2. Hopefully I make semi-finals. And Mega Minx tomorrow. That's probably it. Everything's before lunch, and I don't think I have anything after lunch, so I'm just being staying for 3x3 finals.
Hello!
Yes. Haha, we are back for more. This building again, it's massive.
I remember when we used to think Bottle Brush was like poisonous, so we couldn't smoke.
Right,
But
yeah.
it's just the people who were allergic. Oh, that's disgusting.
Yes. Mega Minx. I used to average like 145, maybe below that. I haven't practiced for a while, so pretty trash. I don't know if I make cutoff because the cutoff is 145, and I have been very inconsistent and yeah. Ready. Eight. Ready. Eight. Felix Zemdegs and his crowd of people. Oh, what's the time? 6.6. Ola's too good at Mega Minx. Negative numbers. 3x3 round 2. I have all the accessories. Hand sanitizer to like dry my hands for sweat. And my cloth also.
Yeah.
Warm up cube. Owen's my judge.
Yep.
Yeah. This guy's probably gonna lose it for me. I've got the hand warmers as well. Look at me. I've got the most full table here. You saw Felix's dominance yesterday? He smashed everyone by over a second.
Yeah, 5'9",
Yeah.
5'9" average. Next guy, Joe.
That's a nice time.
You ready?
No. Never nice.
Eight seconds.
Yes, PR. Should have done the out from the other angle.
12 seconds.
happy. I'm happy. Counting 10. Of 10, 11, and 12. 2 by 2, I'm at the back again. By the way, Owen's judging me again. This guy.
Is your name Lucius Leon?
No, it's not.
Okay.
Alright, yeah. Let's go. Again, another 3.48. So much dust. Right. I'm ready. Alright, turn into a good scramble with the PLL skip. Solve number 3.
Are you ready?
Yep. It's not a good scramble. I mean, it's a good scramble. It's not a good scramble.
That's exactly what you said last time.
It could have been like sub 2 if it was a PLL skip. Alright. Sub 4 average.
Great.
I'm 2 spots away from 2 by 2 finals. I had no expectations to start off with, but I'm really mad right now. 3rd round of 3 by 3 semi-finals. I'm at the back again, but like I sat there before the 2 by 2, and now I'm here.
Hi.
And Owen's judging me again. He's gonna give me bad luck, but
This goofy guy. The goofy one.
he got a 5 seconds exactly on the stopwatch. I don't care.
I got a 6-9 exact.
Cool. Oh, recording the wrong way. Counting 13, counting 14. Or maybe the 13's not counting. It's gonna be a really, really bad average.
Can we get a counting 20?
Alright, Owen said a counting 20, so we're gonna get a counting 20. Dang. What the hell? Nine News, Square One finals, Mega Minx finals, Block finals, 7x7 finals, 6x6 finals, 5x5 finals, 3 blind finals, Scube finals, Pyraminx finals. Non-competitors are there except for like Felix, Grainy Felix. Everyone else is like there. 4x4 finals, OH finals, 2x2 finals. I'm meant to be up there, setting up for 3x3 finals. Sebastian v Felix. Felix is solving a 4x4, Sebastian is solving a 3x3. 15 seconds gone.
Oh my. Nah, this is
Felix is gonna beat you. I can't see the cube. The footage is so grainy. It's grainier than me. You beat Felix Zemedix!
Let's go.
That was a bad time,
Such
to
a
be
bad
honest.
time.
He's a pigeon. We're in the middle of 3 blind finals, so we're gonna be quiet. Okay. Behind the scenes of a Ting Man video. Probably not gonna end up being in.
Behind the scenes of a Ting Man video right now.
What do you feel about watching this amazing Catch the Cube tournament in action?
Where's the tournament? I can't see.
This guy.
Paparazzi.
More behind the scenes of Ting Man video. Oh, Felix is in the way.
Move the camera out of the way. What is it? No.
Right, 2 top 10 cubers in the world just blocked my way. More behind the scenes of Ting Man vlogs. Sebastian's sister's getting kidnapped by Ting Man. I'm just kidding. More behind the scenes of Ting Man videos.
Behind the scenes of Ting Man. Part 4.
And in the 17th seed with an average from third round of 9.64, representing Western Australia as well. We have Alivio Hamzan Ursha.
Yeah! What is happening?
Now I did not mention that Jacob moving into our top 4.
Yes.
Fourth seed, representing Victoria, with an average of 7.55. We have Riley Dexter. In third seed, our highest seeded Queensland rep, achieving an average of 7.46. We have Toby Soifer. Good luck to both competitors. With that being said, I would like to introduce our second seed, who achieved an average of 7.39 at round 3. Representing Victoria, we have David Epstein.
What's up with these kids' TV shows? Nostalgia. Nostalgia.
And our final competitor to announce today, in first seed, achieving an average of 6.73 in round 3. Also representing Victoria, we have Felix Zendex.
Yeah! Oh. The sky's dark and that comp's over. It's really windy. I don't know if you can see. We're like in the middle of a forest. Yeah, you cannot see anything at all. Take 2. I have a flashlight. We're like in the middle of the forest. Cow. Stop! I swear to God. Couch. TV. We have the kitchen. It's connected to the living room. And there's my blindfold, my water bottle, cubes, rattlesnake eggs. Got some noodles cooking. Yes. Even more powerful torch now. It's kind of natural and like 1,000,000 kilometers away from us. But look, we're in the middle of a forest. You can hear the birds and everything.
Okay, guys. 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 Okay, guys, 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 okay, guys, okay, 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 okay, guys, okay, guys. Okay, okay, guys, okay, 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 guys, okay, 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 guys, okay, okay, guys, okay, okay, guys,